what makes the sky so magical. Today, we are diving into the layers of Earth's atmosphere, where invisible secrets and incredible science unfold. From the Troposphere, where clouds play hide and seek, to the Exosphere, where spaceships zoom. Join us for a high-flying journey through the layers that make our planet's air a playground of wonder. The atmosphere is like Earth's big, invisible blanket that wraps around us, filled with air we breathe and adventures waiting to happen. It's what makes our sky blue, gives us weather to play in, and keeps our planet cozy and just right for all the fun things we do. The atmosphere is like a layered cake in the sky, with each layer having its own special role. From the Troposphere, where weather happens, to the Exosphere, where space begins. These layers team up to create the perfect conditions for life on our fantastic planet. The Earth's atmosphere is divided into 5 main layers. These layers from the surface outward include Troposphere, Stratosphere, Mesosphere, Thermosphere, Exosphere. Now let's look at each layer in more detail. Troposphere. This is the layer closest to us, where all the weather action happens. It's like a bustling city of clouds, where rain, snow, and thunderstorms put on a show. The air gets cooler as you go up in this layer. Stratosphere. Just above the Troposphere is the Stratosphere, where airplanes fly. It's like the jet lane in the sky and home to the ozone layer, which acts like a superhero shield, protecting us from the sun's rays. Mesosphere. Going higher, we enter the Mesosphere, where meteors burn up when they enter the Earth's atmosphere. It's like a meteor shield, and the air is getting thinner and colder. Thermosphere. In the Thermosphere, the air is super thin, and it's where the northern and southern lights dance across the sky. It's like the party zone for colorful lights. But don't be fooled, it's really hot up there. Exosphere. The exosphere is the outermost layer, where our atmosphere gradually fades away into space. Satellites hang out here, and it's like the quiet border where our planet meets the vastness of the universe. If you would like to learn more about the universe and all the different planets in our Milky Way, be sure to check out our solar system video. In summary, Earth's atmosphere is like a protective hug around our planet, with different layers each having a vital job. The Troposphere brings us rain, snow, and all the exciting weather, while the Stratosphere acts like a giant sunblock, keeping us safe from the sun's strong rays. The Mesosphere shields us from space rocks, and the Thermosphere puts on dazzling light shows with the northern and southern lights. Together, these layers create the perfect atmosphere for life on Earth, making our home just right for all the fun adventures. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.